Hello and welcome to our program 6 Gears. My name is Bill Gates and today we are testing a Toyota Corolla. I want to introduce our test driver, Gert Knudsen.
Hello everybody.
Gert Knudsen, what do you have to say about this car?
It's a car with beautiful lines. The aerodynamic is incredible. There is there's not much to say. It's beautiful.
Yes. What about the model?
The model, it's difficult. It's a 1992 Toyota Corolla, the strongest model ever made. It can stand a bird. Yeah. It's beautiful.
All right. Yeah, but we have to test drive the car today, and together with us we have our cameraman, Benny Madsen.
Beautiful day.
Hello, welcome back to 6 Gear. Today we would like to talk about the Toyota Corolla. It has 16 valves per cylinder with an EFI engine for idiots. We would like to talk about the suspension and the interior. The suspension, super duper. It stands like a rock on the road. The interior is bucket seats. You sit like a race car. It's pure sparkle. The interior is soft as mud.
Soft as mud.
We would like to talk about the engine. Come look at the engine. It's not worth to look at. It has a surround system that is pure surround sound with speakers in the doors and in the front and modified in the rear.
Should we take a look at the speaker in the front door?
Yes, look at the speaker. It's That's nice. Should we listen to the music in this car? There is only 2 speakers in this car, original, in the front doors, and it's modified with the speakers in the back, as I told earlier. Should we like a test?
Check the mic section of the site.
It's so loudly, you can hear the number plate rattle. Listen to that. It's pure Toyota style.
Are you happy?
Huh?
Are you happy?
I'm happy. I'm extraordinarily happy. It's.
Okay.
I'd like to get a. Okay.
Hello, welcome back to our program 6 Gears. Now we have talked about the suspension and the interior, and now we have to hear the engine. Please, Gert Knudsen, you want to start the car?
Oh, listen to that. It's amazing. Do you like it, beer? That's amazing, Gert.
Let's take it for a spin.
Oh, now I'm in the Toyota with Gert, and I think this will be the most intense ride of my life. So I think I'm ready, Gert. Are you ready?
Yes. Are you ready
Let's take
for the most intense driving experience?
Yes. The seatbelt is on. I'm ready. Let's start the pit stop. Oh, that's amazing! Oh, that's amazing! Oh, Gert! Oh, oh, force! Oh, holy crap! That's amazing! Whoa! What an engine! Oh,
16 valves per cylinder.
holy shit, yeah. I remember that. 16 valve per cylinder. Holy crap. It smells like pussy, you know? Oh,
Oh, there's a bird. The steering is so precise in this car. Oh, there's a pothole. There's a cat. The steering is so precise in this car. It's reacting instantly, and the acceleration is incredible. The suspension in the seats is so comfortable. Yeah. The gearbox feels so light.
Hello, welcome back to the program 6 Gears. Now we are finished to test drive the car. And what about it? What about you, Benny? Do you want to buy this car?
I have an extremely good ride in this car. And yeah, I will buy it. But
for
I
what?
don't have the money. I don't have the money. You know, it costs around 100,000 pounds. You know, it's a very expensive car. But you get so much power. You know, the engine is so incredible.
So I have to say, if you want to buy this car, it's only because of the engine.
It's not only the engine.
It's a lot of money for this car.
Yeah, it's a lot of money, you know. But the chassis and the whole steering and suspension and gear case, you know, all the things. The sound is
Sound of the
very,
engine
very
is-
intense. It's very intense. It's unique. It's a unique car. It's a
our-
unique car.
It's our conclusion of this car.
Yeah.
So if you want to buy it,
I will buy it, you know. But I don't have the money. 100,000 pounds, you know.
it's a lot.
But a great day, great
great
weather,
day,
great
yes.
weather. Billy, you have the money.
I'll buy it. I'll buy the car.
I'll buy it.
Yes.
Thank you for today. Thank you for
Thank
today.
you.